Hi. Today we are going to create the pie charts on Tableau. So first we need to upload our dataset. We have already applied our dataset, and the next, come on. Well, this is our dataset. So we see here we have the different kind of the datas, and we are particularly interested in the sales data. So we want to find the proportion of the regions for the sales. And to do so, like I've created already two of them, the south region and the central region. Now we are going to see the north region. The first, we are interested in the sales, so we just pull the sales and drag over our worksheet, and then just change the name of the worksheet and write the north. The the most important thing is to find out the subset of the regions. So to do so, we go to the region. As we see in the region, we have four regions, and the next what we are going to do is to create the subset. And to do so, we are just doing the uh, create the set. And from the set we're going to choose well, actually we don't have the north set, so but it doesn't change uh, the 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 work, and this procedure is going to be the same, and we are going to write east. Okay, and then when we apply the east as the, well, first we need to just convert it to the pie chart. So we have the pie chart now. The second thing what we have to do is the drag the east on our dataset, and this is not proportional in like, yeah, actually it is proportional, but this is not what we need. So in order to find the what's the percentage that the angle, the proportion of our pie chart, we need to drag the sum of the sales on our pie chart. So as you see, this is our pie chart, and this is the total, and the south, the east part. Well, north, actually, north, not north. I have misspelled it actually, but we need the east. And the second thing what we need to do is just we want to have the pie chart like this. So to create this kind of a gap here, actually we are going to use this some extra, not scientific approach, like hustling. And I've created that zero. It doesn't have nothing, it's just a zero, and we are just creating two of them. We need two of them in order to create one without, like, one free empty the chart, like the circle, in order to get in this circle. And the second thing, we need to combine these two, and to do so we are just doing the dual axis. Well, once we have the dual axis, we need to increase the size of our pie chart in which we are interested in order to have the gap as this. So we don't want these zeros and so on to be shown up, and that's why we are just eliminating the show header, and so we will not have those ones. Just let it a little bit bigger, and then we want these to have the color of the, let's say that I want red, the color to be red, and well, the color you're changing here, edit colors, and let's add the yellow one. Like in was our southern part, and the east part. Out is others, and this one I want to be well, this one I want to be white. So if you don't see the white, and you just click double twice, and you will see the white color too. Well, it doesn't seem that good, so we are adding the borders, like add the borders on this and about this on this too. Here's it. Well, it's getting nice. And I want a background to be the other color. I just click the format and the background. You go there and you see the background. Where's the background? Hey, where's the background? Worksheet, yeah. I was looking for the background. I want some light background here, and this I wanna be it's the same color as our background, or a little bit lighter. Well, let's have the same color. The other thing that we are interested in to have the label here that's showing how many how many persons are represented in this part. In order to do that, I click the right button and go to the mark label and always show. Well, that's not what we have been expecting for, and that's why I just let me stop it. So then that's why we are we need to change the sum of the calculation and show it as the calculation of the percentage of the total, and this will show us how much percent do we have. So in order to change this one, we just can click on the format, and this one is pane here. I actually don't know what that means, why it's called the pane, and what. Anyways, like if while it works, it's like it's not important for us. What's the pale and why? Anyways, I've changed it and I've installed the color. I won't be the color of our chart. So this one is representing this part, and this one is representing the total, and it's super user friendly, so you can do it without any knowledge of the informatics. If you are not a tech guy, you just wanna visualize something, and then when you want to report your dashboard, well, actually these are two dashboards. If you want to report your you report your worksheet on your dashboard, you just need to go to your dashboard and choose your sheet and include it to your dashboard too. So now the rest is only just just arranging the stuff here. And this is the easiest part. Like it depends on how you want them to be seen. And by the way, if you want just adjust it on the dashboard, you just should choose for the floating. Here's it. And if once you have the floating, you can manipulate your image and change the size of the image and so on. That's it, and the rest is the easiest part, so I don't think that you will be interested in, and that's why see you next time. Bye.